Sometimes someone comes into your life so unexpectedly. Sometimes someone turns to be the one that gives you everything.
Hey guys, it's I think around 2 a.m. and we stopped at a dhaba to have food. I think after this we'll leave for Gokarna. Yeah.
And now my heart beats, it beats for you. Since you came into my life, I never felt like so in love and so excited, cause you're so right. Now I'm never leaving you, leaving your side, cause you're mine. Mine, mine.
Hey, we finally reached Gokarna. This is our homestay. We have freshened up and now we're planning to leave on the trek. I'm all ready, all prepared and ready to leave. I'll see you there. Bye.
And takes your heart so suddenly.
You edit videos? Yeah, I not regularly, but just as a passion. What do you edit of? Premiere?
No, that's not like I didn't started it. Wanted to know from you, which one you suggest?
Premiere Pro is very good.
Okay.
But if you're starting, I would say, have you heard of Wondershare Filmora?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that is good for beginning.
Wondershare?
Filmora.
Since you came into my life, I never felt like so in love and so exciting, cause you're so right. Now I'm never leaving you, leaving your side, cause you're mine. Mine, mine. Now I'm never leaving you, leaving your side, cause you're mine.
Hey, we've been trekking for almost how many hours? 2.5 hours, and it's been very tiring. You can see my face, it's completely red and everyone's tired.
And takes your heart so suddenly. Sometimes someone just becomes a part of you so easily. Just like you did, took me by surprise, made me complete. You changed my life, made me believe in real love. And now my heart beats, it beats for you.
Hey, good morning, Happy New Year. It's day 2 here in Gokarna. Yesterday was a pretty tiring as well as amazing day. Today I think we go for a few more treks. Let's see.
Sometimes someone sometimes someone just becomes a part of you so easily. Just like you did, took me by surprise, made me complete. You changed my life, made me believe in real love. And now my heart beats, it beats for you. Since you came into my life, I never felt like so in love and so excited, cause you're so right. And I will never leaving you aside.
Hey, that's a wrap of the trip. It's been such a wonderful trip. So many new memories, so many new friends, and such a great way to start the year. That's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one.
Leaving your side, cause you're mine.